Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how you can copy page between the Canva designs. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So I have two design here. So may just assume this is my old design, previously old design, and this is my new design. Okay, so we have the four pages and presentations in my new design, and I want to put the or copy paste the design or pages from previous presentation to into this new. Okay, so this is a process I will show you. First, come to the any design and make click on this grid view, so you can see the all your pages from your projects. It will be grid view. Same you do with the new projects. Now what you need to do, just select that page. Okay, if you want to select multiple pages, you can simply hit the shift button on your keyboard, hold it, and you can select the multiple pages like this. Now just right click on it and just copy it. Now come to the new design, and here select any page. Okay, that page number where you want to put that previous design to the next. Okay, now right click on it and just paste it. Then this all selected pages or design will be come after this selected page. Okay, here also you can select the multiple design if you think this is the wrong place. So you can simply select all design or simply select one design and just click and hold it and drag to the right numbers or place. Okay, so you can simply select multiple like this, hit the shift button on your mouse, hold it, select the all multiple pages, and you can drag it to the right place. Okay, so that is a method or process to copy paste design between copy paste your previous design to the original new design. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.